Hi guys, and today we got slime play, and Daisy has to wear a headband because you can see, and I have to mix them up when she has her blindfold on, and whoever gets 10, so if Daisy got 10 Shopkins, so Daisy has Shopkins, she gets a Kinder Joy, and if I have we tried the grocery grams, but they were floating up in the air, so I picked random. So I'm just gonna guess.
Okay. So what's in there? Is 10 in there?
Yep. 10 in there.
Right,
And
you
get
see, right.
the Kinder Joy.
So George, do you want to Daisy still put the blindfold on? Georgie, do you want to stir it? Just so she can't cheat. Pick up the spoon so everyone can see the slime, George. Not allowed to lock this. Okay.
My fist.
No, you're together. It's whoever finds the 10 first wins. There's no rules, just that rule. Yeah?
Ew.
Okay.
You have to use one hand. Take that out. You have to use one hand.
No, you can use two.
Okay.
Okay, right. Daisy, you ready?
Yes.
Okay, hold on. Oh gosh, I'm stepping on the chair. Okay, on your marks. Get set. Go!
Got one. Again.
Okay, go on, it's fine. Keep going till you find 10. And I'll have to count them. Put them at the side. And we'll count them.
2.
Ew. How many have you got, George?
3.
Okay, Daisy, how many have you got?
4. 4. 5. 6.
Oh, look at that slime, guys.
7, 8. 2 more.
Okay, so where the...
9.
Daisy, how many have you got?
10.
Oh! Is it a draw? Let me see.
A 10.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, I guess I only see 9, George. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, no, 10, sorry. And Daisy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 10. Oh, God, my counting's awful. Right, okay.
Do one more.
We had a draw, so we both get a Kinder Joy. It's covered in slime.
Ew, I don't want to.
Let's see the slime one more time, George. And you, Daisy.
Where's the spoon? Can I have the spoon? Oh. Ew. Mum, can we do one more
You
round?
should get this, guys. It's really fun.
Mummy, can we do
It's
one
easy
more
to
round?
use.
Can we do one more round, please?
We'll have another go another day, okay?
Okay.
So what are we going to say, George? It's the end of it?
Wait, we have to open them.
Oh, okay.
I have to have a
quick then.
towel to open them.
It's on the floor.
Oh my gosh, it's not even rubbing it off. It's like slimy.
No, my hand's really sticky.
Okay,
You
let's
take your
open it.
blindfold off now, Daisy. What's your top 2 days? Show everyone.
Oh
Love unicorns.
no! Mommy,
Cool.
Mommy, I'm not allowed to eat it.
What?
I got slime.
Okay. Right, okay, should we end the video then?
No. Hey, can you open it, Mommy? Oh. I know. Thank you. Let me got this thing open. I put it back in there. Put them back in their place.
Uh-oh.
That's mine. My babies. My babies. My babies.
Just wipe your hands. Do you want to have your hands in, George? You can put the Kinder Joy.
Yeah. Ew. Bye, guys.
You've done it.
Oh,
There we are.
there you go.
So you can open your Kinder Joys now, guys?
I'm gonna open my quick. Open the toy first. This one. Toy. It's not toy. That's the food. there.
put that by the side a minute.
Look, I can see my toy.
What have we got?
Yay!
What is that?
I got this one.
Ah! Georgie's got a few of these. He loves Kinder Eggs and Kinder Joy. Silly George. And what's Daisy got? Ooh,
The same.
she's got the same. Oh, that's what they have, is it? Cool.
Oh.
Okay, George, go and enjoy your Kinder Joy once you've washed your hands. You see, are they float? That's the thing, you need to get toys that sink, don't you? Otherwise some will float.
And ew.
Okay, George, say goodbye then.
Bye. Thanks for watching and subscribe and check out our other videos. Bye.